I'd like to introduce the first speaker here who's ready for us. It is Sigrid Therapeutics, and she will be, well, the company is presented by Sana Ayamovic, and this company is a clinical stage biotechnology company, pioneering new class of therapies to prevent and treat lifestyle diseases. Wonderful to have you here.
Thank you so much. Good morning, everyone. Can you hear me clearly? Yes, excellent. Hi, everyone. My name is Sana Ayamovic. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Sigrid Therapeutics. And who are we? Sigrid is a purpose-driven, consumer-focused health tech company who is currently enjoying great momentum. And one of the reasons for that is because we have a really bold vision. A vision where no one should fall sick with chronic lifestyle diseases such as obesity and type 2 diabetes. Because we all know that to a large extent, these diseases are actually preventable. And we have developed and patented a unique platform technology, which we call Cypor, that is able to effectively and safely address a number of metabolic diseases and disorders. Our first focus is on prediabetes and type 2 diabetes. Prediabetes, for those who don't know, is a disease where your blood sugar levels are higher than normal, but not yet as high as type 2 diabetes. It's basically the precursor stage to type 2 diabetes. And as you can see, these diseases affect over 1 billion people globally. So what have we developed? Well, we've developed a unique, very safe, easy to use, and tasty oral gel, which you consume together with your largest meals of the day. It's called Cypor 21, and Cypor 21 works locally in the gut and is excreted in the same manner as food. It is made of a natural mineral, but with a unique architecture and chemistry, which enables it to entrap digestive enzymes in your gut. So every time you're having a meal, right during your meal or precisely after, your blood sugar and blood lipid levels are peaking. They're going up. If you take our product, you will flatten the curves by entrapping amylase and lipase, two enzymes that are involved in the breakdown of complex carbohydrates and fats. Over time, this will lead to improvements in a number of metabolic parameters, such as long-term blood sugar, HbA1c, body weight, and LDL cholesterol. Cypor 21 is based on over a decade years of research. My co-founder is Professor Tore Bengtsson, professor in physiology at Stockholm University, which has spent the 20-30 years of his career understanding the mechanisms behind these diseases. And it is also clinically proven. Clinical trials with Cypor 21 shows that it is safe. It is not systemically absorbed, and it doesn't cause diarrhea or constipation. Equally, the magnitude and effect of blood sugar reduction is on par or even better than metformin, which is the first line of treatment for blood sugar control in type 2 diabetics. And this reduction is associated with 31% less risk of developing type 2 diabetes. So the clinical studies with Cypor 21 show that it's safe and effective. And if you compare it today, especially pre-diabetics, they don't have any other solutions. So a pre-diabetics patient today is recommended lifestyle, healthy diet, and to exercise more. There are no medical treatments approved for blood sugar control in pre-diabetics, despite there being 500 million people in need for something. In rare instances, metformin is prescribed off-label. Metformin is not allowed for the treatment of blood sugar control in pre-diabetics. If you look at the history of Sigrid, since our founding in 2014, we've advanced our platform technology from the discovery in the lab all the way to approved patents, especially in the States and Europe, as well as clinical trials, and we're now at the cusp of commercial breakthrough. In 2021 was a huge year for us. We inked the production agreement with AGC Chemicals, one of the largest silica suppliers in the world, to produce Cypor 21 at large scale. We also closed an oversubscribed financing round, which means we have a very good cash flow position right now. So, what's ahead of us at Sigrid Therapeutics? Well, this year we're conducting SHINE. It's our pivotal late-stage clinical trial for CE mark approval here in Europe. It is randomized, double-blind, placebo-controlled, and multi-center. And SHINE stands for CYP21 halts intermediate hyperglycemia. It's basically a fancy term for blood sugar control. We are targeting 440 patients here in Europe who are overweight, obese, and with pre-diabetes or type 2 diabetes, across 40 sites in Germany, Slovakia, Hungary, and Romania. Our endpoints, our primary endpoint is reduction of blood sugar control as measured by HbA1c. This is the golden standard of blood control, of blood sugar control in diabetics. And it's basically the same endpoint that we successfully have reduced in our previous clinical studies. Equally, we're looking at a number of other parameters, such as body weight, body fat, cholesterol, and also the improvement of the gut microbiome. So, ahead of us, timeline-wise, we're starting SHINE this year, since it is one of the largest pre-diabetes trials to ever be conducted. It will take us 2 years to finalize. We will have data from the trial end of 2023, beginning of 2024. Then we will seek approval for CE marking of the product to put it on the market here in Europe, and we will distribute the product together with commercial partners. It is also important to mention here that our device on the US market is actually classified as a dietary supplement. And already today, Sigrid has all the clinical data required to launch the product in US. So I will touch a bit on that, but we're actually doing a pre-launch program right now to perfect our offering for the US market, but more in that in a couple of soon. I'm very proud of our team. Great companies are built by great teams, and we have a fantastic team that combines expertise in cutting-edge material chemistry, physiology, business development, clinical and regulatory expertise. Our board of directors consist of seasoned pharma executives who have helped launch innovations from the lab, taken them all the way from the lab to the market. For example, Ulf Winberg is our chairman. He has been the CEO of Lundbeck and is in the board of numerous stock-listed companies. Fredrik Lindberg helped launch Colzyme, Enzymatica's spray across a number of markets. So we are we as a team, we are young and vibrant, but we are really supported by very experienced, seasoned executives. We are also very proud of our scientific advisory board. They have helped launch diabetes products for big pharma previously, and they are critical in the development of our protocol for the SHINE study. So, I'm super excited. We're going live today with our pre-launch program, and this means that you will be the first to be able to try the product for free and share your experiences and your journey towards a healthier lifestyle with us. A bit about the program. It's basically a 6-week program where you will be taking our gel twice a day for 6 weeks. You will fill out a survey before you start the program and after you start the program. And we're able to do this because we have such a safe product. Silica is classified as GRAS, generally recognized as safe. And the survey will touch upon questions relating to general health, how you perceive the product offering, how CYP21 has improved your life, and also we will be inviting those who want to focus groups to share their experience with us. So, does everyone have their phones with you? Can you do me a favor? Can you please hold up your phone? Please take up and hold up your phone. Thank you so much. I want you to scan this QR code because this QR code will take you to our website and where you can fill in our survey to see whether you're qualified or any one of your friends or family that are interested in improving their life in a safe and effective manner. So please visit our webpage and share this with all of your friends and connections. And I would like to end by saying Sigrid is on an amazing trajectory, and we couldn't be more proud and excited to be able to launch a product soon which will help the lives of billions of people globally. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Sanna. How exciting.
Yes.
We met here on stage, this past fall.
Yes, we did.
Where you just talked about the signing of the contract with the Japanese silica provider. Yes. How important was this, and how has this sort of partnership evolved since then?
It's a game changer, because you can have an amazing technology, but if you can't scale it, it just becomes, scientific publication. So this was a huge game changer for us, and they are super committed. They have made life sciences one of their priorities. So we have worked since 2013 on this partnership, and it was a huge milestone for us at the company.
Mm-hmm. Speaking of milestones, the US market, how important is it? It's a huge market. In terms of other markets, give us a sort of a rundown. What's the plan?
Well, it's the world's largest dietary supplements market. It's worth $500 billion yearly. It's an amazing market for dietary supplements. They spend $50,000 throughout their lifetimes just on dietary supplements. Pre-diabetes is a growing condition due to the fact that US has huge troubles with obesity, and obesity drives sort of the pre-diabetes epidemic. But equally, China, super exciting as well. But we will start with US, and this pre-launch program is super important for us to be able to perfect our offering for the US market.
How about age brackets? How low can you go in terms of age? Because we do have children that are obese, sadly.
Yes. And I think that's the beauty of our product, that it is so safe and it's not systemically absorbed. It works locally in the gut. So we believe down the line this is a great product also for children with obesity and type 2 diabetes. But we will start in adults, because we've been advised that once we show traction in adults and safety in adults, it is much easier to actually also sell towards children.
Mm-hmm. Well, best of luck.
Thank you so much, and thank you for the invitation.
Thank you.
Bye, guys.